Hello friends, we are looking at a expandable bed today. It's in this box. You wouldn't believe that a twin size mattress is in this box, but it is. What happens is when you take it out of the box and take off the plastic that is keeping it pressurized, it expands. Now beds are very important to everybody. You want to have a good night's sleep. You will be able to tell me after looking at this if you think that this is the way you would like to go in getting a bed. You can see the sign there saying contents under pressure, and it is. It's kind of amazing what technology can do today in being able to ship stuff. Something like a bed, you wouldn't think that you could order that like on Amazon or through a carrier, but in this case, yes. So this is what you do. The important thing is that as you cut off the plastic, you want to keep the bed away from you. It's not going to injure you or anything like that, but you know you need to have a lot of room to expand it. You could see it start to get a little bit bigger as I take off the roll, but it still hasn't expanded yet. That's just one part of it. When I actually take off the plastic, this plastic that's on it, I'm just going to cut a little hole to start letting the air in. And they put this little notice, which is kind of funny. They say the mattress has been known to do kung fu. So you have to be careful, like I said, in opening it up. But look what's going to happen as I just make a little hole. You'll already see the bed start to expand. See that? Just like instantly. As far as what happens after that, the bed continues to expand slowly as time goes by. Not noticeable to your eye, but it does. But instantly you can feel that it looks and feel like a normal bed. Tell me, what do you think? Would you use a bed like this? Tell me in the comments area. Thanks so much for watching.